welcome back to my channel. Okay, so my advisory board said that I need to lower the pitch of my voice in my videos, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So in order for me to do that, I need to get less excited. I think if you know me well, if you've been watching my videos, you know how hyperactive I am and how all over the place I can be and how excited I generally am about life. So I'm really just gonna try and tone down everything. And if you like it, please tell me in the comment section. And if you want me to go back to my hyper energetic self, please let me know. And then we can write off everything that the advisory board said. Really, yeah. So before I get into today's content, you know the drill. Subscribe to the channel, click on that notification bell because we want you to know when there's new content on this channel by this magnificent lady. So today I am discussing getting your body ready for a photo shoot. I know how that can really sound like it's not, not important, but it really is. Trust me, I've been on set so many times and I know the importance of being ready. And I've seen some of my shots, how I would not like them coming out in a certain way just because my body was in a certain way, how my face was showing in certain shots and I didn't like it because maybe the makeup didn't set well, or I maybe had pimples, or my skin was breaking out, or just anything that really sets me off. So I decided to compile this video for you. Start working out a week prior to your photo shoot. You want toned muscles, broad shoulders, defined shoulders. You want those abs to pop if they are there. You want ease in posing, the flexibility to try out different and especially new poses, because you can't be doing the same poses over and over again. Remove those hairs. Do you wax? If that's what you're into, if that's what's effective for you, then do that, but we want those hairs gone. If you shave, then do that. If you use hair removal cream, then do that, but we want those hairs gone. We want you smooth. We want you to look like jelly, like butter when you're on set. Do your facial. Handle your eye area. No bags under your eyes are allowed on set. No dark circles around your eyes are allowed. Make sure to get a peel off facial just to bring in new skin, shed off old skin and dehydrated skin or dead cells. Make sure to mask one way or the other. You should mask. Get rid of pimples, also for your skin to absorb makeup very well. I usually start applying honey on my face like a week before the shoot so that my skin absorbs makeup properly and so that I glow, because darling, we all want to glow. Shape your eyebrows. Shaping your eyebrows is also very important because you need to remove those excess hairs so that when your makeup artist draws in those eyebrows nicely, they pop. Do your hair. Make sure your hair is neat. Do you need to straighten out that wig? Then do exactly that. Do you need to curl it? Do that. Do you need to apply gel on your natural hair? Do that. Comb out your afro. But whatever it is, make sure that your hair is properly done. While we're at it, please pause this video right now, right now, and click on the subscribe button. Now, please. Are you back? And like the video and comment so far what you think, or you can just comment at the end. But please do subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Make sure to do your nails. A properly done manicure makes pictures come out so clean and it allows you to pose. You can put your hands on your face in any way that you want and you will feel confident doing it, knowing that your nails are properly done. I always advise clean colors, clean, neat finish to your nails. It's always a safe bet. You can get a pedicure as well. If that's your thing, then do that, or apply nail polish like I usually do. I just apply nail polish, but I make sure it's a solid color because your feet tend to look cleaner and more pretty if you have a solid color. Now, what are you consuming before your photo shoot? It definitely has to be food that will give you a lot of energy, food that will not bloat out your stomach, food that will keep your skin clean. Drink a lot of water, that is very important. I would also advise that you stay away from alcohol. But if you're like super desperate to take alcohol, take wine and drink lots and lots of water after that to counteract the alcohol. Moisturize your skin. This is something that you want to do prior to the shoot. Moisturize your skin. Make sure your skin is already absorbing lotion nicely and there are no skin cracks, and if you suffer from any skin conditions, you make sure that you're already handling them before the shoot. Sleep! Sleep! You need to sleep, girl. You need to sleep. Well, even you, king. You need to be well rested before you go to a shoot, because I promise you the camera will bring out things from you. It will bring out things that you think are well hidden. Oh no, the camera will embarrass you. So sleep. You want to have a nice, well-rested face. You want to be in a good mood. You want to have a positive vibe, which is what your photographer also needs in order for you guys to work properly together and produce the perfect shots. And that is it. That's all you need to get your body ready for a photo shoot. Simple, right? Very easy to do. And please go onto my channel and watch my vlog from my latest shoot. I had a goddess theme. It was magnificent. Please watch it. You might gather some inspiration for your shoot, and you'll see why you need your body to be fresh and ready for a shoot. Mwah!